Hi guys, today our topic is if and else. Actually, it is an important topic, and most of them know the if and else topic, right? But some of the students don't know the if and else topic because uh, they have they don't have knowledge about it. So let's dive into the if else topic and try to solve one program in Java as well as Python. Okay, first try to know the if and else. If and else is very important topic, and we can use this if and else in every question, every programming question. So we need to know. So okay, what is if and else? If and else is a two blocks of code. If block has one block of code, and else has one block of code. In if block we write a one condition. If the condition is correct, then it enters into the if block and skip the else block. If the condition is false, then it enters into the else block and skip the if block. That's a very simple topic. If condition is truth, then it enters into the if block. If condition is false, it enters into the else block. It's very simple. Okay. Mm, okay. Let assume one question, then find find the solution for that using if and else. Okay, what is the question? Okay, most of the interviews ask the even or odd question. Like they give one number and we need to find the whether it is even number or odd number. So most of the students even don't know the question, actually logic. So let's try to the logic for that. Actually, what is the logic for even or odd? Then try to solve that program using if and else. Okay, what is the logic for it? Okay, let's actually, what is the even number means? If we divide the number, any number, with 2, we get the remainder 0, then it is even number. If the remainder is 1, then it is a odd number. It's simple logic. For example, here 1, here 1 is the number which is divided by 2. 2 zeros are 0, we get the remainder 1. So 1 here, we get the remainder 1, so it is odd number. 1 is a odd number. Okay, let's go into another. Here the number is 2, we divided with 2. 2 ones are 2 and the remainder is 0. So we get the 0, right? So it is a even number. Then 3. 2 ones are 2, then the remainder is 1. So we get the remainder 1 means it is a odd number. In that way, for the 4, 2 2 is 4 and we get the remainder 0. So this is the logic. If the remainder is 0, then we get the even number. Okay, in programming languages, okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means, this 1 by 2 means we get the coefficient. Okay, so 1 percentage 2 means we get the remainder. So for that, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means we get the coefficient. Here coefficient is 0, so that's why it is a 0. 1 percentage 2 means, 1 percentage 2 means we get the remainder, so that way that means it's 1. For that, 2 ones are 2, so 2 by 2 means 2 by 2, oh okay, sorry, 2 by 2 means we get the remainder, coefficient was 1 and remainder is 0, right? For this, for this we get the coefficient is 1, we get the coefficient is 1 and remainder is 1. Okay, here we get the coefficient is 2 and remainder is 0, so 0. So in that way, here it works. So for that, our logic is, if the percentage, so 1 percentage 2 equals to 1, then it is a odd number. If the number is divided, perfectly divided by 2, then it is a even number. This is the logic. Let's try to do in Java programming. Later we do in Python. So I am assuming int n equals to any number. For example, I am taking n is at 10. Okay, then if we need to write one condition in if block, right? So I am writing n percentage. In n place we can do any number. Okay, 2 equals to 0. Okay, we do in simple manner. Okay, I'm not taking this. Okay, I'm not taking this. I'm taking directly here. Condition is 10 percentage 2 equals to 0. Then then we get this is a even number. This is a even number. Okay, if the condition is false, then it enters into the odd else block, right? So the condition is false, it enters into the else block. In else block means it is definitely odd number. If it is not even number means it is a odd number, so it enters into the else block. So here it is a odd number, right? That's it. That's a simple programming language. Here 10 percentage 2 percentage 2. Actually, let's do 10 percentage 2, right? So let's do in, for example, 10. 10 5s 2 5s are 10. So 2 5s are 10. So we get the remainder 0. Here 10, right? So 10 percentage 2 value is 0. 10 percentage 2 value is 0, right? 10 percentage 2 value is 0. 10 percentage 2 value means 0. Here the value is 0. 0 equals to 0, right? 0 equals to 0, right? So it is true. It is true means it enters into the even block. It means uh, we need to print the this is the even number. It needs to print the even number. So let's try to do this. Yes, this is a even number. 10 is a even number. For example, I am taking 11. Here I am taking the 11. So I am taking 11. So 2 5 is 10 and we get the remainder 1. It means we get the remainder 1. 11 percentage 2 means we get the remainder, it value is 1. So this value is 1 and 1 not equals to 0, right? So 1 equals to 0. It is a false. The condition is wrong. So it enters into the else block and it prints the it is a odd number. Let's try to do it. Yeah, it is odd number. It perfectly executed. So this is a simple programming using if else. Mm, try to do same program in Python. In Python, we don't need a mandatory of classes or this kind of comma, this kind of round brackets. It is not mandatory in Python, but we need to make uh, colon like this in Python. Let's try to do in Python. So yeah, I'm taking if block. If sorry, if 10 percentage 2 equal to 0, we need to make column like this. Print it is a even, it is an even number. It is an even number, right? Okay, no need to take commas or something else. And else block is a odd number. That's simple. If the number perfectly divided by 2, it means 10 percentage 2 value is 0. 0 equals to 0, right? So it is a even number. So it needs to print the it is a even number. Sorry, NUMB here, right? Sorry. Yeah. If I take the value is 11, 11 or something else I'm taking, it is also odd number, right? So yeah, it needs to print odd number. You see, it is a very simple topic and very easy topic, and it is used in every question. So please focus on the topic. If you have any doubts, please take that screenshot of it and try to do, because not all the people, but some people don't know this kind of logic. So 1 by 2 means we get the coefficient value. 1 percentage 2 means we get the remainder value. It is mandatory. In that coding we use for that 1 percentage 2. It's kind of logic we are using in the logic. Thank you. And please subscribe, like, share. Thank you. Thank you.